Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Start a Small Garden. So for today, I'm going to show you the quickest way to pollinate watermelons using male and female flowers. So from the last video, I don't have any male flowers. So for today, I'm going to show you, I'm so happy that I've got male flowers of watermelon. So I'm just going to remove the outer petals as usual. So there you go. So this is what it looks like. This is a male flower of a watermelon plant. So I'm just gonna dab it gently to the female flower of a watermelon. As you can see, it is very open and blooming. So right now I'm just really transferring the pollens from the male flower to the female. And if this pollination is successful, this will turn into a watermelon fruit. So there you go, guys. This is the quickest way to pollinate watermelons by hand using male and female flowers. This is my the first one that I ever hand pollinated without male flowers. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye.